Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from Free Dreams 106 channel. Today spooky vibes because we are talking about the coolest models that you can print for Halloween. So I will show you 13 models, you get it? And this series will be divided into 2 episodes. So the first video will be dedicated to filament prints, while in the second one I'm going to show you resin prints. So let's cut the chase and get right into it. The first print I want to show you is, of course, of a pumpkin. What Halloween would it be without a pumpkin model? But it is not the classic shape. In fact, as the first print for Halloween, I've chosen this 3D UForge. For those who don't know, UForge is a software that transforms an image into a multicolor 3D print that you can print without the need for a multicolor unit. So basically on every 3D printer out there. We'll dive deeper into it in a future video. But for now, let's stick to this print. So as you can see, it's a cute ghost with a 3D pumpkin on top. In my opinion, it's the perfect decoration for your room for the spooky season. And if you want, you can also scale it up, but remember not to scale it in the Z-axis if you want to print it bigger. Otherwise, it will ruin the image. So, while we are at it, let's take a look at another 3D UForge. If the first model was cute, this is the total opposite, but horror fans will love it. In fact, I'm talking about a picture of Janon from Friday the 13th with an embossed mask. It's super cool if you like horror movies. Make sure to use the right colors for this print, obviously, and if possible, use the same brands that you found in the printing instructions. But now let's get back to cute prints. So, ghosts are one of the main characters of Halloween. So, here they are. I've chosen these cute ghosts by Cauliflower that you can find on printables. And I really like this model because it is super customizable. In fact, on the website you can find a lot of different ghosts with different expressions. And you can also print these cute shoes for them. You can have a lot of fun with filament colors. In fact, for the bigger one, I've used a transparent filament that is perfect for this model, in my opinion. While for the other one, I've used a free silk spool that I've also printed the shoes with. So this is a really fun model, especially for kids that can mix and match the various colors. Now let's take a look at a bigger print, an end lamp. I've designed this piece myself, and as you can see, I've used a rainbow filament to make it pop. According to me, this is a really cool model that can be a staple piece of furniture at your house all year around. For example, mine is installed on the wall of my studio. And you'll find all the links of the models that I'm showing you down in the description. If you would like to have some fun with those Halloween prints, here is another item that you'll love. I'm talking about this witch kit card. For those who don't know, kit cards are like 3D puzzles. So you print them flat on the build plate and then you cut off the flaps and assemble the pieces together, just like a puzzle. I opted for the witch card, but there are many versions of this design. For example, the zombie kit card or the pumpkin one. So you can print different versions. And remember that the key factors when printing those kinds of models are a good build plate adhesion and great tolerances. So check your printer clearance with an appropriate test model. Don't know if you're into flexi models, but in my opinion they are super cool. So I've chosen to include in this list this flexi bet. As you can see, flexi models features those inches all over the shape, and this allows the parts to move. This effect, in my opinion, is perfect for the butt, because as you can see, if you shake it, it seems like the bat is flying. Like for kit cards, for those models, good build plate adhesion and tolerances are extremely important. I've also chosen a Halloween print for gamers. In fact, I've printed this scope controller stand that is available for both PlayStation 4 and 5, and as well as for Xbox controllers. It is a really compact controller stand, so it'll save you some space on your desk or your console. And as you can see, I've printed it with teal and black dual silk filament, and in my opinion it came out super cool. Yeah, I like dual and three color spool, as you may have guessed. So if you don't know where to find all those cool models, make sure to check out this video where I share with you my favorite websites.